Here we are at the page. You'll notice what I did, I cleared out all of the puppies that we had on the website. So now, toy poodles, it's empty right now. All right. And on the back end, first we'll log in, of course. Then we'll go to products. All right, I took out all the products and I have a product page template that you'll save, and you just keep duplicating it. So we're going to go through that process right now. So we save this and we're going to make a duplicate of it. All right, and we're going to give it a different name. We're going to name it for the first puppy, which we're going to put in, I'll just call it Toy Poodle A. Toy Poodle A. Okay, now we don't need to touch any of this stuff here. Okay, so we change the name, we go down, the next thing we'll go down to is the price. All right, and again, I'll just put in my generic price. Okay, then the next thing we do, we add a short description. Here's your short description right here. I'm just going to copy it out of some text I already set up. Just put it here. Copy that and just copy that in. You can type it in, whatever. And then for the other description, in this case, things about the breed. That's in there now. Okay. Now if we have a video, if we don't have a video, you don't have to add it. But if you do, we can add it. So open that up. And we're going to upload files. Now you can just drag and drop here, actually. So we'll just grab a video that I already pulled. And we're just going to upload it. It's just a short little video. There it is. We save it in the module. All right, and then at the end, when we publish it, it'll all get saved. Okay, so the next thing we do, don't have to touch anything here. But now we got to change it to the category. Since this is toy poodles, we want to be in the toy poodle category. And then of course we want a picture. So we're going to add, whoops, sorry, wrong place, right there. Picture. Okay, and I'm going to add the picture. So we're going to take toy poodle 1. Just drag that right in there. Toy poodle A, I called it. Okay. Should load soon. I think it's a fairly small picture. There we go. Okay, and there it is. Now you'll probably want some gallery images, and what these are, these would be just different angles of the same puppy. So just for the heck of it, we'll just pull a few of these. Not the same puppy, but just to give you an idea. Okay, still loading. All right, and I add those, and there they are. And I believe that's everything we need. Of course, the inventory, just to mention, it defaults to in stock, and I'll show you that next. That there is something we have to do with that. Okay, but for now, that's how you publish a puppy. So we publish it. Okay, then we're going to look over here. Here's the toy poodles category. I don't see it yet because I need to refresh it. And there it is. All right. So now, when you click on Toy Poodle A, it'll bring you to the page that we just created. And there it is. That's the picture we added. There's the video we added. There's the text. There's the price that I set. There's the gallery images. There's a description. And there you have it. Let's say we sold this puppy. It's as simple as going to inventory. Oops, scroll All right, and this doesn't actually change it, but you got to change it because obviously if it's sold, it's out of stock. But what's going to change it from showing as an available puppy to a sold puppy is you change it here as a category. We take it out of the toy poodles category and into puppies that found a home. Update it. Okay. And when we refresh this, you'll see it will appear here. Okay. And if we go back to toy poodles, you'll see it's not there anymore because it moved. Okay, there you have it.